drowning in manual processes, scattered spreadsheets, missed follow-up, and no way to properly track your registrations, your payments, your attendance for your upcoming event. That is exactly what I did for this client. Hi, I'm Azomta, your automation and workflow expert. Today, I helped a client track and manage their registration process on Airtable. So first of all, I helped create a table. Like here I have two tables that I created for the events, their upcoming events. Like every registration is captured automatically, and these are the fields. I have different fields like the full name, which I used formula field, sorry. The email, with email field, I marked it with email field. The phone number, I marked it with phone number field. The follow-up email, I marked it with formula as well. The event date, which I use formula. I made use of lots of formula in this workflow because we'll be needing that later for our automation. Here I have three different tickets, which are VIP, regular, and premium. I created a table differently for each of them. I also looked up some fields, and then the ticket ID was automatically generated using formula. And here I have payment status, which I used single select, the same with payment method, depending, like asking them their payment method, either bank transfer, online payments, or through card. Here I use proof of payment as attachments. Yeah, you have to attach your proof of payment, of course. Here I looked up the package from the ticket table. Remember, I have two tables here. So that's that. These ones, the account number is a number field. The account name is a text field, and I have everything as default because it will come up when they are needed. So on the second table here, I have tickets. This ticket is under ticket type, I have VIP, regular, and premium. Then the unit price, which is the price of each ticket, like the cost of each ticket. The status, either available or not available, I marked it with single select. I also have quantity available, like once the ticket is sold out, that's that. So these are the quantity. And the package, when each ticket, like what each ticket comes with, what each ticket type comes with. Like for VIP, we have front row. For regular, we have sitting zone. For main premium, we have standard sitting. And then we have ticket ID, which I used formula and looked it up from the registration field. So here let's go back to the registration table. Then for our automation, I have it automated as the first automation I did here basically was the confirmation of emails. Like when a record is created, each time a record is created, send email to the participants using their email. Yeah, so here update the record status, payment, like whether the person paid or did not pay, you update it, and then you grant online access to those that paid. That's the first automation. The second automation is once the form is filled, 7 days after the form was filled, send them a follow-up email. Yeah, that's that. 7 days. Look at 7 day follow-up email. The third one is 5 day, like a sort of email sequence, like sending them a reminder. Hey, look at, remember you have an event coming up and all that. Yeah, so this is it. Send them another follow-up email as what? As reminder. So look at the email here. We're excited to remind you the date and all that. That's basically that. Then a day follow-up as well. Send them another reminder. That's that, because you have events coming up. We don't want you to miss that. Then the attenders, those that attended, update their status. Like those that attended, when a record is created, updates their record, like the attendees record. Yeah. So here we have interface. We have different interface, like depending. Let me just open it and show. We have registrations, we have new registration, we have dates, we have tickets, we have dashboard. Because this interface is very important to help my clients navigate through the whole database without having to go from one table to another. Everything is under this interface, like an overview of everything that's happened, you get. So back from interface, let's go and fill a form. But before we fill this form, let me show you these views. Like these views, we have grid view, we have proof of payment, which was filtered. Like for clients that sent in their proof of payment, this is it. This is a demo data here, not my client's real data. So this is just testing out this workflow, and it worked. So here we have payment status, those that showed paid and those that did not pay. So when clients paid, all their data will come in here. When it's unpaid, it will go this side. Then attendance, like people that attended the whole thing. This is the people that paid, they have not checked in. Once they checked in, it will move in here. So that's basically that. So now let me go and fill this form and test our automation. So this is the form here. I will fill this form and I will see it populate. So let me put, let's use my name. The email, I will be needing a demo, just to see how this automation will work. The phone number, the dates, let me choose today's date. Then remember we have tickets. So we have different tickets. We have VIP, we have regular, we have premium. So I can choose regular, you get. I can as well add more than, yeah, I can add more than. I can choose VIP. It will calculate my ticket amounts and send to me. Then here, the quantity for the VIP, I will say okay, I chose regular 1, I chose VIP 1. Yeah. So payment method, let's say online payments, and look at it. Because we set these payment details as default, it automatically appeared here. So for the payments, proof of payments, let me attach something like anything at all. Let me just look for something and put. So it will upload. Let's assume this is my payment proof, and then I will submit. And when I submit, it will tell me thank you for submitting the form, and then I will go back here and see if it has populated. So this is my data. So look at it. This is the 8th one, this is the first one I did, and this is it. So here I have my name, my email, my phone number, the date it was submitted, and I've not received any follow-up email. That's why it's still on 0, you get. Then the event date, remember I chose 2 tickets, and the first ticket $1,000, the second one $10,000. And then let me show you. Remember, VIP is how much? VIP is $10,000 and regular is $1,000. You see, so that's why I have it here as unit price $1,000 and $10,000. VIP quantity 1. Then had it been I chose like 3, it will show and it will calculate under the unit price. Then the regular 1, I did not choose the premium. Then the total amounts I will get or I will be paying is $11,000, and I used my formula field to do what? To calculate it. And the ticket type which I looked up to ticket table is regular and VIP, and then it generated my ticket ID, and if I have made payments it will show paid. You get? And that's that. So let me go and check my email and see if I have gotten something. So look at it. Look at the email. Hi, thanks for registering for Tech Submit 2025. The ticket type premium, the quantity 2, the total $21,000, and the ticket ID. We will be very glad to meet you on this date, which was automatically mapped at this is the registration teams event teams. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this wonderful? Like, basically, so that's that for that. With this workflow, every registration is captured automatically with details like their name. All formula instantly generate unique code. The separate formulas also generate the ticket ID. Like, I literally help these clients solve this solution. Like, I provided solution to these clients, no longer wasting of time managing data manually. No. Everything flows from registration to ticketing to payments, giving them full visibility and control over the seminar. I can help you do the same and automate your workflow.